Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. I am so excited for today's video purely because I haven't filmed anything like this before and it is a new whole experience for me. But obviously by the title you have seen exactly what this is. It is my first designer item. And of course I've gone for Saint Laurent, which is YSL. Don't know why they call them two different things. It really confused me and stuff. But anyway, so as you have seen, my last two videos on my channel have both been my Paris vlogs. I hope you have watched them and enjoyed them as much as I just enjoyed being there. It was my first time in Paris. And I thought, of course, whilst being in Paris, I thought I want to make the whole experience even more special by buying my first designer, because obviously whilst we was there it was Paris Fashion Week. What better time to do it? We didn't mean to go to Paris Fashion Week, it just happened that way. So I did some research. I was thinking of something I wanted to buy that isn't a designer bag, that I wasn't going to be spending thousands on, it was just hundreds. And I came up with sunglasses because I absolutely love sunnies. Here behind me is my stack that I actually will need another one of now, I think, because I've got quite a few sunglasses. I love my Key Australia ones. So yes, I decided with sunglasses. I don't know why I decided on YSL, but I did. I did a little bit of research beforehand, only a little bit. But we went into store. We went into the flagship store in Paris, which is not very big. I think the other one's bigger, but it's the one where they sell more things, more like knick-knacky stuff. I mean, you can even buy designer YSL condoms there, so yeah. If you watch the vlog anyway, I think it's my second vlog, Paris vlog, where I buy this. And I just want to say, like, the experience was brilliant. They helped me out a lot. I didn't feel pressured into buying anything. But yes, we said I wanted sunglasses. He went to the back and brought out 2 cases of them. The first pair that I picked up and tried on are the pair that I bought. Also, if you buy in Paris, you get the tax money back. Didn't know that. So we ended up getting the tax back because we was in the EU, which is just brilliant, of course. So let's show you what I got. For one, love the bag. I love walking around with my bag. So here's the gorgeous little pouch they come in, just a matte black, and it's just magnetic. I'm feeling like I've only worn these once so far because I feel like I'm going to be too like precious of these. We're moving house soon and I'm not even going to put these in storage. Like, these will be staying on my persons the whole time. Oh my god. Here they are. Oh, look at them. They are absolutely gorgeous. They had so many designs in there. Straight away I kind of knew I wanted something that was a cat eye, because I think it just suits my face shape better with it being quite round. So these are the Kate sunglasses. So I think they all have like just a normal name. The Kate ones are the ones that I've seen online quite a lot. I didn't realise at the time that these were the ones that I had seen online that I loved the most. I hadn't really taken any notice of what they was called. I just love how dark they are and how oversized as well. They don't sit like fully up on my nose, but they do like sit partially down, which I quite like. It's like a relaxed look. I feel like these are so like city inspired kind of sunnies. I think sunglasses just like makes an outfit. It just like completes it, even if they're just on my head, because obviously living in England, it's not sunny very often. So these were €305, which is I think roughly about £295. Yes, I believe that's right. Don't quote me on it. I checked it, I think, after I bought them, but just love them. I'm obsessed with them and I'm so into my designers now. I was always somebody who I liked the nicer things. I'm just so happy that I've been able to I don't know, like buy something luxury for myself and just enjoy them and love them, and just everything about the whole experience of going to Paris and buying designers. I am just so happy about it. I'm already planning my next designer purchase, and I can't wait to show you guys when that happens. So yes, thank you so much for watching and coming on this journey with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week for a brand new one. Thanks for watching. Bye.